Welcome to all in virtual classroom of biology for standard 12 science students produced by Department of Biology is a part of Janta Shikshan Sanstha's Kishanveer Mahavidyalaya Y in session number 5C presented by Sri Sushant Kumar Swami. Let's see. Today's concept is Oham, that is unfertilized egg. Oham is rounded shape. Ovum is rounded shape haploid non-motile female gamete which is produced in ovum, which is produced in ovary. It is 0.1 millimeter in diameter, that is 100 microns. This ovum is also known as unfertilized eggs. It is also said to be a microleucisthal because it is almost free from yolk. So it is called as microleucisthal. It consists cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is known as ooplasm. Ooplasm consists a rounded, eccentric, rounded nucleus, prominent nucleus. This one is the nucleus. It consists chromosomes. Nucleus consists chromosomes. These chromosomes are actually half than its parent cell. It may have, this is the sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, male gametes consist half set of chromosomes than its parents. For example, in a human being there are 46 chromosomes, but in ovum there are 23 chromosomes are there. So these chromosomes are present in this nucleus. These are the chromosomes and this is nucleus. This nucleus is surrounded by a protoplasm. This nucleus is surrounded by a protoplasm known as vitelline membrane. Nucleus is surrounded by protoplasm known as vitelline membrane. This ovum is covered by two layers or two coats. Inner coat is known as zona pellucida. It is a thin and transparent non-cellular, made up of non-cellular. There are no cells. It is a non-cellular known as zona pellucida. And outer coat is known as which is cellular coat. Outer coat is known as corona radiata. Outer coat is known as corona radiata. This is the corona radiata. Let's see. This is corona radiata. In between zona pellucida and corona radiata, this is the corona radiata and this is the zona pellucida. There is a space. That space is known as previtelline space. That space is known as previtelline space. This space is present in between zona pellucida and corona radiata. Within this space there is a polar body. Actually, in ovum there is no centrioles. Centrioles are absent, but animal pole and vegetative poles are present. How will we decide which is the animal pole, which is a vegetative pole? The animal pole is present on those sides where polar body and nucleus is present. Nucleus and polar body present, that pole is known as animal pole and opposite pole is known as vegetative pole. So this is the structure of ovum. This is the structure of ovum. We revise again the structure of ovum. This is the corona radiata. It is the outermost coat, outer coat of ovum. It is made up of number of cells. These cells are here. It is corona radiata. After that there is inner layer. It is a non-cellular, thin, transparent. It is called as zona pellucida. In between corona radiata and zona pellucida there is space. That space is known as previtelline space, and in the previtelline space polar body is present. Inside the zona pellucida there is a plasma membrane, this plasma membrane is known as a vitelline membrane, and within the vitelline membrane there is eccentric nucleus. This is the nucleus, it consists chromosome. So this is the ovum and this is the structure of ovum. Till today we stop here and we will meet in next session, 5D session, where fertilization is there. So till then,